Hello dear student, welcome once again in this class. Today we are going to discuss another most important topic in the chapter chemical reaction, types of chemical reaction. And in last video we have discussed that what is chemical reaction and what is the necessary point takes place in our chemical reactions with giving example. Today we will discuss about the types of chemical reactions. There are various types of chemical reactions. Let us see one by one. First one is combination reaction. Combination reaction. Second one is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Third one is displacement reaction. Displacement reactions. Fourth one is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. And fifth one is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Sometime in place of Z can be written S. Okay, no problem. And sixth one is exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. And endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Okay, clear? Now there are various type of chemical reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, neutralization reaction, exothermic reactions and endothermic reaction in 8 standard level. But in higher class also we will study about the rearrangement reaction, oxidation reduction reactions. But in your syllabus we will not have to discuss oxidation reactions and rearrangement reactions. Okay, now we will discuss only the 6 reaction written here, and I am going to discuss one by one. First is combination reaction. Okay, first one is combination reaction. Now question arises, what is combination reaction? What is combination reaction? A reaction in which two or more elements or compound combine to each other to form a new compound is called combination reactions. Let us write the definition. When two or more elements, or a compound combine to each other, compounds combine with one another to form a new compound, is called combination reaction. Combination reaction. Clear, student? Okay. What is combination reactions? When two or more than two elements or compound react to each other or combine to each other to form new compound is called combination reaction. Let us see, suppose we have two elements A and B, when combine to form a compound C. Okay? When A and B combine to form a compound C, that means these are known reactants, and this is called compound. Okay? Or here product. Clear? Left hand side be taken for reaction is called reactant, and after the changing form another type of compound is called product. Okay? Now let us see the another example of when magnesium is burned to form magnesium oxide, Okay, dear student? Sorry. When magnesium is burned with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. But in this side, you are watching that here is one oxygen atom, and in this side is two oxygen atom. That means to balance the oxygen atom in right hand side, we will have to multiply magnesium oxide with 2. And in this side magnesium atom is 1, and to balance the magnesium atom in left hand side, we will multiply magnesium with 2. Now the reaction is balanced reaction, and he was in here when magnesium is combined with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. This reaction is the example of combination reaction. Okay, dear student, and this is magnesium and this is magnesium and magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. The product form is magnesium oxide, and this is oxygen. This oxygen. Okay, dear student. Okay. These are reactant, and in this side form the new compound is called product. This reaction is the example of combination reactions. Okay, dear student. Let us see the more example. Now I am going to erase it. When sodium combined with oxygen to form sodium oxide. Okay, dear student, when sodium is combined with oxygen to form sodium oxide, to balance the oxygen, we will have to multiply the oxygen. To balance the oxygen atom, we will have to multiply the product with 2. Here 4 sodium atom, so multiply it with 4. This reaction is balanced reaction, and this is the also example of combination reaction. Let us see the another example. When carbon is react with oxygen to form carbon monoxide. To balance this reaction, you can balance the oxygen by multiplying 2 here and 2 with here. When carbon monoxide again react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, like this. To balance this reaction, multiply this reaction with 2, and here is 2. This reaction is balanced reaction. Okay. Once again another example. When sulfur react with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide, to balance the oxygen, here is oxygen is balanced, no problem. When ammonia NH3 react with HCl, hydrochloric acid, ammonia react with hydrochloric acid to form ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Clear? This is the combination reaction. These are the example of combination reaction, dear student. Okay, I think you understood that what is the combination reactions and what is the definition of combination reactions, and what are the example of combination reactions. Here we are taking all the example related to combination reactions, dear student. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the every reactant and product, name of the every reactant and product, and you can write in your copy. This is sodium, oxygen, sodium oxide, sodium oxide, carbon, oxygen when combined to form carbon monoxide. Okay. Also carbon will directly combine with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. It can also form. Okay. Now if carbon react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, you can see here. When carbon monoxide again react with oxygen and combine with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. When sulfur is combined with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. When ammonia, this is known as ammonia. Okay. And when ammonia is combined with hydrochloric acid, this is known as hydrochloric acid. When ammonia combined with hydrochloric acid to form ammonium chloride. Clear, dear student? Okay. These are the example of combination reaction. Okay, dear student? Okay. In next video, we will discuss about the decomposition reaction. Clear? Okay. Thank you. All the best.